So Rex is hauling water from the river. Now they're gonna mix cement.
Anak. Isa lang.
And Jesse stopped by the Chicken Whisperer. Oh, this Lawrence is just an amazing kid, such a hard worker. I have to give him a bonus. Lawrence, dito ka. Ano yan? Di yan maganda sa baga mo. Dito ka. Nauso.
Kala kumahapon ko so ano big boss nakasunod din yung kanina ikausap sino? Ay tatawa ito
Kid's 16. He's 16 years old. Does anything you want him to do. Works hard all day. Doesn't say a thing. And goes to school.
lambot na
So just stop by. I know what that means. The fight's tomorrow. We got 2 fights, so we're gonna bet 5,500 each fight. So hopefully we can make the fight tomorrow. So we're gonna pour 4 main posts. Two things about Filipino culture that I'm still learning. Number one, when you visit somebody like Jesse, the Chicken Whisperer, you know, we went and visited him, and he knows I like the game hens, and so, you know, he always entertains me. And he said, well, you know what, I'm gonna prepare 1, 2 for you since you're here, and you know, if you want to see it, you can see him at the pit. You know, when he says that, that usually means that it's for you. So you know, you're kind of obligated. You're not really obligated, but it is expected that you go ahead and bet on it. Um, so we put a little bit of money on the two fights, and hopefully tomorrow we could watch it. If not, we got a lot of work here. So that's the thing, you know. And then if you win, you always got to give the guy a little bit of money as a what do they call it here? Balato. Balato means just a tip because he prepped the chicken. It's his chicken. It's his rooster. If you win, of course you got to tip him. That's it.